set up both of our graphs. And this is a good, what's nice about this unit is that it really reviews your graphing parabolas unit. It's not in vertex form. But we don't necessarily have to complete the square, because which form is it in? It's in factored form. And what does factored form help us find really easily? X-intercepts, right? So can you see, because it's in factored form, that the x-intercepts are going to be at 1, 0 and at -1, 0. Which way does this graph open, up or down? It opens down. And if you have both x-intercepts, can you see that for sure your axis of symmetry is right in between? And our vertex is going to be when x is 0. Two ways you could figure out where your vertex is. One, plug in 0 for x. What do you get? You get negative times a -1 times a +1. 0, 1. Can you see that you could use that to find your vertex? Can you see also that if you multiply this out, this is actually easy to multiply out, because that's a difference of squares. And then if I distribute it, it's actually in vertex form. You could get 0, 1 from that. You can also see that your a value is -1. And since you have both these points, you know you have to go up 1 over 1 to find it. And I can now go over 1 down 3, over 1 down 3 to label this point. 2, -3, and -2, -1. And here's my original parabola. Do I have x-intercepts? Yes. So on my reciprocal graph, these become vertical asymptotes, and you can label them with their equations. X equals -1, x equals 1, and we also will have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. What's going to happen to some points? What's going to happen to -2, -3? -2, 1 over -3. It's going to happen to 0, 1. It's going to stay 0, 1. What's going to happen to 2, -3? 2, 1 over -3. Notice that we have 3 sections because of our vertical asymptotes. Do we have a point in the first section? Yes, that is actually enough to draw it towards the asymptotes. That section's done. Do we have a point in the middle section? Yes. Sometimes students are like, well, I don't know if I should go up towards the asymptotes or down towards the asymptotes. Well, if you went down, you would make x-intercepts, and a 1 over graph never has x-intercepts. So it has to go up. And this one here, towards the asymptotes, which one do we get? Oh, we got the Batman. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some chances to work on these. 7, 8, and now 11C.